कोल्ड एंड कफ से परेशान हो? ट्राई दिस 3 powerful remedies for quick relief. Number 1, ginger and honey. Mix 1 teaspoon ginger juice with 1 teaspoon of honey and take it twice a day. It soothes your throat and reduces cough instantly. Number 2, turmeric milk. Drink 1 glass of warm milk with half teaspoon of turmeric before bed. It boosts your immunity and speeds up recovery. Number 3, steam inhalation. Add 2-3 drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale the steam. It clears nasal congestion and relieves cough. Which one worked for you? Let me know in the comments.